In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting PST file to OLM format using the BitRecover PST Converter Wizard. To install our BitRecover PST Converter Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. Here, users will see Convert Configured Outlook Mailbox Data option to automatically load PST data. And, let me select my Outlook Mailbox Data option to manually select PST data. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the folder that you want to export. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select the OLM option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully converted PST files. Click OK, and open the destination folder to access the newly converted files. Let's take a look at advanced filter options of our tool. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.